Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be playing the new Animal Company update. Sorry for not uploading. My cough's finally gone. Thank the Lord. Alright, let's get straight into today's video. We're playing with my brother Brayden, and we're playing with my brother Ian. My screen's kind of shaky. This is my first time checking it out, so let's go. Alright, first thing I want to check is if they added something new.
Hey, the new spitway!
Alright. So it looks like they didn't. I still gotta unlock a few things. But not that much. Alright, guys.
We're going to space!
Yeah, we're done with space.
Gene! You know what this reminds me of? OG Animal Company. Look behind you.
Oh, yeah, no. Hold on, we can't do without baiting.
And I heard there's like a new boombox and something else.
So we haven't seen the new update, but we've seen it in YouTube.
Whoa! Whoa! Save me!
Oh shit.
Oh,
Yeah.
We're on the moon.
Oh yeah!
That means we don't have gravity. Huh? The boombox.
I got the boombox.
What does it look like?
I'll show you a little bit later.
Hold on, no, show me.
I want to see the
Oh, look at the other new thingies.
Whoa, what is this?
They're like new bombs.
What the? Why is my screen all bright?
It's gravity.
It turns.
It's gravity.
So if we get lots of these, we can use them in the new map.
That's pretty cool.
And we can use them in the regular map. Yo, stop hitting the ring. We need to that.
It's like a. This is where they made movies. Made movies. The first flag on Earth. On the moon. The first man to travel on the moon. Put down this flag.
Yo, these cities.
Oh, excuse me. Alright, guys, we're gonna test out the new vehicles. Let's fit it too. How do you drive this? So like, oh, it drives on its own?
Jaden!
Skirt. Oh, so we have a brake. Oh, that's the brake, okay. You know what we're about to do, guys? We're going on that. Bro, guys, this is so sick. Wait, can you drive?
Did it has?
Oh, a tummy. Why here?
Hurry up. Hurry up, sit right next to me, big boy. No hitting. You ready? Blast off! Yo, stop. You're not.
No!
Ice!
Well, I have my grapple on my grapple is on the car, so.
Chalero,
Don't worry.
Nice! Yo, guys, we should probably dupe the boombox.
Yeah.
No, in the dupe machine.
They removed it.
What?
The Duke machine.
I turned it onto the back.
Yo, that's crazy.
Wee! Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, we going too fast. I peed my pants.
Baby, keep up, I'm too fat. I'm too fat.
I'm too fast. I'm on me. You must keep up on my track, on my track, on my track. Wait, no. What did I?
Down, go. We're fucking Spider-Man over here, like.
Spider-Man
Stop,
alone.
citizen.
Spider-Man alone. Empty.
Stop, citizen.
No, I needed it on.
Stop, bird.
What a need.
Stop, citizen.
What? I want to draw my own tar now.
About to eat my boyfriend.
No.
I want to be Spider-Man. I'll have 2 grapplings.
Oh, Blade and Tamia.
I'm too fast.
Yo!
Teeth up on my twat, on my twat. On my twat.
I'm Spider-Man. I'm
Keep up on my track,
Spider-Man.
on my track, on my track, on my feeling strong. Is strong.
I'm Pyre-Man.
Then you better keep it going fast. Never stop. You ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna make fireworks. You ready?
Yeah, push it on.
Go faster, faster, drive!
Hey, stop, citizen.
Nice.
Ice. Stop right there, citizen. Ice. Stop right there.
Wheelie. I'm doing a wheelie. Can I do a wheelie?
Stop right there. I'm right here, citizen.
Oh, nice. We done it, too.
Ice.
Wheelie.
Ice.
Says you done it, bummy. You trying to put on my tar. Teeth up on my twat, on my twat.
Ice. Citizen. I got you, citizen.
No, you don't. Oh, we got dough baiting. Eat that water.
Oh, hell no. Oh, shit.
The popo here. Woo!
Your
I
popo.
sip
Your
on my
popo.
tail. Talking to
Keep it on my twat, on my twat. Alright, let's go. The popo's here. By the way.
Eat the popo!
Come on.
I'm your popo.
No! Fuck you! No! Mr. Bowman, you bitch!
No, stop.
I haven't just
I'm a twisty driver, don't worry. You ain't gotta worry about dying, sweetie. Nope, I'm built different. I told you, if you with me.
myself.
That's not nice.
But you do bad job.
No, not. That's not nice.
I see you, buddy.
Okay.
You better want, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
What the heck?
It's in mine. Here, I'll drive for you, okay?
No, I'm definitely not.
But we know I'm the best driver.
Come here, sir.
Oh man. That's not nice. I don't fly away.
Well, why?
Because they didn't hurt my feelings.
Hi, Tawi.
That's not nice.
How do everybody stop recording. Have you guys recorded yet? Are
Yeah.
you done?
Alright, hold on. I'll be
Alright.
back.
Oh, I got you.
Alright guys, that will be the end. Oh wait, one more thing. I'm at office maps over there. Alright guys, we have reached the end of today's video. Oh, if I can get up here. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Please subscribe. I'm trying to become a YouTuber. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.